Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I've been on the channel, but you know, welcome back.
Oh, hey there.
Oh, didn't see you there. How you doing? Leg work, leg work. This guy. Alright, what are you saying? What are you saying? But I'm on the last look, so I will be right back, and we'll catch you guys later. Okay, so we've hit play on the music and we are ready to go. So I often like to start off my shoots with experimenting with different poses and just trying to get myself into the right vibe. Another thing I like to do is to create different shapes with my body. I often like to use my legs and arms because it adds an edgy, dynamic look to my photos. Now, so many of you may have noticed that I love a shot with my hand or my arm in it. Classic Wendy shot. My tips for using your hands in a shot is to avoid covering your face and try to make your hands look as gracious as possible. The less stiff it looks, the better. Okay, my last tip for this video is to go with the flow. Do not be afraid of trying new things. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like this video and comment below whether you'd like to see some more detailed videos on modelling and poses and overall some tips and tricks.
That's why my heart beats like
We got some fire pictures coming up, so make sure you check that out. Make sure you check out our platforms and show some love, guys. Massive shout out to JorieHair. That's JorieHair.com. Make sure you use the code FauxLocsLondon10 for 10% off. Okay, get into it. Look at it, pretty awesome, right? But yeah, okay, so I'm gonna get used to the vlogging life. I've neglected it for so long, but I will be back, I promise. Why are you farting for? You know what, it's natural, it's okay. You don't have to feel bad.
Fart in your face, bro.
If you were to fart in my face, you know that it would actually be a wrap.
You just embrace it.
You're disgusting. You're nasty.